In this video, we will show you how to stake your ISP tokens and claim your profits on the Ispolink platform. There are 3 steps we need to take. First, connect your wallet to the Ispolink platform. Then, put your tokens to work by staking them. And in the end, unstake your tokens and claim your rewards. Let's begin. After logging into the Ispolink platform, you land on your personal dashboard. To use our staking feature, you need to connect your wallet. Unfortunately, that's not the case yet, so let's change that. Click on Connect Wallet. Pick the wallet you want to connect. In this example, we use the MetaMask wallet extension. Put in your password and confirm. Your wallet is now connected to the Ispolink platform, and you can see your balance. You can directly navigate from your dashboard to the staking view by clicking on Go to Staking. Here, you can see the available staking contracts. In this example, we have only ISP staking available. Click on Stake Now. In the next view, you can see all the staking conditions. To stake your tokens, select how long you want to lock them up. The longer the lockup phase, the higher the rewards. Then, enter the amount of tokens you want to stake. After that, click on Stake Now. Confirm the staking process in the wallet extension of your choice. And we're done. You have successfully staked your tokens. Now we have to wait. 6 months later, the staking contract has reached maturity. So let's go ahead and unstake the ISP tokens and claim the staking rewards. Click on the card. Here you can see your claimable rewards and the currently staked amount of ISP tokens. As the maturity date has been reached, the only thing left to do is to unstake the tokens and claim the rewards. Click on Unstake Tokens and Claim Rewards. Confirm in your wallet extension, and the formerly staked tokens are back in your wallet. Also, the rewards will be claimed automatically. As you can see, they have been added to the balance already. Congratulations, you're filthy rich now, and that's it. That's how you stake, unstake, and claim your rewards on the Ispolink platform.